Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the chain on a chainsaw. Now, as you can see, this is obviously loose. Even you don't know anything, I'm sure you know that. To do it, it's very simple. Safety first, put gloves on. You don't want to cut your hands. Of course, the chainsaw should be off. This is electrical one. I don't have electricity. Of course, it's off. For your gas one, make sure it is off. And it's very simple. Now, as you can see here, there is one screw. Now, this is the entry level one, only one screw. Bigger one usually have two screws, one here, very close by. You want to lose the screws. Okay. I already did, by the way, and on this one, it's actually just a 13 millimeter. Yours may be different size, so you just want to lose it. And then, if you look carefully, there is another screws out here for adjustment. Now, some chainsaw, the adjustment screw is out here. Okay, so let's do that. Lift the blade up a little bit, and then turn clockwise. If you want to make it tighter, turn clockwise, and you probably can tell that it is getting tighter and tighter over there. Now, that looks pretty good, right? How tight do you want to tighten it to? You want to tighten it until you still can move it with your hand. Well, that's pretty good. And if you pull on the bottom, it should go back in by itself. I think this is good, okay? So now let's tighten these screws, or maybe two of them on your chainsaw, and we are good to go. So this is how to do it. If you think this video is helpful for you, please make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.